wonderful to join you at one of our nation's great childcare centres to talk through what the Morrison government is doing in the early childhood, early education space. This year we'll spend $11 billion in support of this wonderful industry and in support of the many, many hundreds of thousands of parents that take advantage of services just like the one I'm standing in. COVID has been tough. We invested $3.2 billion to assist families during that time. But now that we're coming out of it, we need to move to our next step of the plan. That includes $2 billion to relieve the cost of living pressures for families with a second and third child in early childhood, early education centres. That'll see an average family saving $2,200 by increasing the childcare subsidy by 30% up to a maximum of 95%. In terms of educators, we've seen 10,000 more early educators graduate into this industry since November last year. And a lot of that's because of the government's $2.1 billion investment in Job Trainer. And that's seen over 23,500 new Cert 3 in early childhood and Diploma in early childhood start studying across public and private RTOs right across the country. We'll continue to double down with our $2.4 billion apprenticeship incentive program that will continue to make it easier for early educators to get those qualifications. For those taking tertiary university training, the Job Ready Graduate Program has seen over 40% reduction in the cost for those crucial teaching degrees. On top of all that, we've signed landmark preschool agreements, $2 billion with states and territories to ensure the opportunity is there for that preschool or whatever each of the states and territories call their preschool that year before going to school, to ensure every child has got those opportunities. The Morrison government will continue to work with the sector, continue to address cost of living pressures so that every family has the opportunity, if they'd want to put their children into wonderful early childhood, early education centres like this one I'm in.